CBSE Mathematics Class 9 Heron's formula. Number 1. The sides of a triangular plot are in the ratio 3 is the ratio of 5 is the ratio of 7 and its perimeter is 300 meter. Find its area. S equal to A plus B plus C whole divided by 2, that is 2s equal to A plus B plus C, that is 3x plus 5x plus 7x, that is 2s equal 15x. So 300 equal 15x. So x is 300 divided by 15, which is 20. A equal to 3x, 3 into 20, that is 60. B equal to 5x, 5 into 20, which is 100. C equal to 7x, 7 into 20, that is 140. Area equal to square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. 2s equal to 300, s equal to 300 by 2, which is 150. Area equal to square root of 150 into 150 minus 60 into 150 minus 100 into 150 minus 140. That is square root of 150 into 90 into 50 into 100. That is 1500 into square root of 3 square meter. Coming to the second question. A traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. If its perimeter is 180 cm, what will be the area of the signal board? All sides are equal. Let side equal to A. 2s equal to A plus B plus C, that is A plus A plus A. 2s equal to 3A, S equal to 3A by 2. Area equal to square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. That is square root of 3a by 2 into 3a by 2 minus a into 3a by 2 minus a into 3a by 2 minus a. That is square root of 3a by 2 into a by 2 into a by 2 into a by 2. That is root of 3a raised to 4 by 16. That is root 3a square by 4. Perimeter is 180. 3a equal to 180, a equal to 180 by 3, which is 60. Area equal to root 3 a square by 4. That is root 3 into 60 into 60 by 4. That is 3600 into root 3. That is 900 into root 3. That is 900 into root 3 square centimeter. Thank you.